Hey, onye nọrọ ebe ọ na-anọ ga na-agụ ya. Nwanne m enu wee nwee mmeta o. Onye iwe na-ewe wezikwana o. I don't come again this morning. I greet every one of you to remind you again my name. Na me be the Atakata Agbo one. Na Igbo niile. Anyị adịghị ebo. Sorry me. I don't have much to say. You understand? This advice where they bring now, they go directly for those that live in Europe, who does not like where he lives. You know, you live in Italy, you want to go to Germany. You live in Germany, you want to go to France. You live in France, you want to go to Spain or any other country. You know, I want to tell you something, my dear. Anywhere you are, you have the resident, you have document to stay in that country, my brother and sisters. I beg, try to stay where you are. So far, you leave the place that are using euro. You leave the place that are using krona. They are all the same. Europe is Europe. Stay where you are. Stop jumping from one country to another. You cannot get anything from there. Even if you have friends from France or Spain, Germany, they are deceiving you to come over there. That place is better. My dear, you are fooling yourself. Use your number 6. Use your head. Okay, now, I want to give you an example. You have a friend in Italy, or you have a friend in France or Spain. Now, you have your document. The person does not have any document. The person now moves to another country to go look for document. The person get there and now start deceiving you to leave the country you are, where you have your document. Oh, come on. Open your eyes. You have document. You need to build your document. You need to work. You need to hustle for the place you are. Because the country accepted you, they give you documents, they issue you paper. So why can't you use the paper for good for yourself? Use the paper for you to help your family, not to jump from one country to another. You understand? Because the document you have, maybe they give you 3 years, 2 years, 5 years, something like that. Okay, you take the document, you never even build the document, you never build the document where the country you are. You never even have the even 00. You understand? Okay, now you want to take the document to another country. When you go there, the document will die for your hand. How do you think that it will be okay for you? The document is already gone. Now you want to go back to the country that give you document. Do you think that the country will be happy to renew the document for you? They are not going to be happy. You understand? Okay, even if you succeed, they do the first one for you. Do you think that they will continue be doing it for you? No. You need to work, pay tax, so the country will know you. They will know that you are in their system. They will know that you are like you come to stay. They will know that you come for good. You understand? Not you move. You have 5 years document. You jump from Italy to Germany. You stay in Germany where the document you remain 1 year or 6 months to die. Then you come back to Italy. Like I don't know how sometimes our blacks. I don't know how they think. I don't know how they reason. You understand? Okay, those that have passports, European passport, Italian passport, German passport, France passport, yeah, you have passport. That one is different. If you have passport, any European country you go, you have title to get 5 years document. Immediately you enter the country and they register for their system that you want to live in that country. They will give you 5 years for the beginning. But you that have 5 years document, you are going to another country, how do you think that you will survive with it? Okay, those that have carta soggiorno, okay, some people now, they will deceive you. They will tell you, carta soggiorno, when you go to Germany, they will take it from you. They will give you 5 years, they will give you 2 years, they will give you that, no, come on. Open your eyes. They are not giving you anything, my dear. Even with that, your carta soggiorno, that's your 00, that's your unbefisted that you feel that you have. When you go to Germany or other countries, some countries in Europe, when you go to that country with your 00, the first thing they will give you 3 years to stay in the country, and that they will give you 3 months to stay in the country. That 3 months they're going to give you, that 3 months you need to work. If you didn't find job after that 3 months, they have to send you back to the country you come from. You understand me? But when you find a job with that your document, they can be able to issue you permit to work. You understand? When you get, just like, let me just give an example, just something like Germany now, with your carta soggiorno, with your 00, you understand? They can be able to give you permit, stamp it in your passport. but they are not going to take your document away from you. Some people, they will tell you that when you go to Germany or you go to France, they will take your document, give you their own. No, they don't do it. They never do that. You understand? It's only those stupid people who does not have common sense. They will go there, they will carry their documents, go give government. Then government will take it from you. After they don't frustrate you, you will remain frustrated. You understand? No one is taking documents from anybody. Because the document you have, look at the document, look at the side of it, look at the catastrophe, look at the side, you will see they write EU. Permitted you to go to any European Union. Go there, work, made, registered for the system so they will know that you are there. Not where you have 5 years document, 3 years document, 4 years, for 1 month document, you think that you just jump any country, they will accept you. They don't do that. You understand? They don't do that. So this video I'm doing now, I just doing this video exactly for those like it. For those that live in Europe who does not know their left and their right. They don't know their left and right, but they live in Europe. You understand? Some they are just here with empty brain. The brain is not working. You think that you are a graduate in Nigeria, you are doing that, but you don't know anything. Before you make a move, you have to ask. Before you start doing something, you have to ask. Before you take any step, what you don't know, you have to ask. You cannot just move and start doing something and start jumping from one country to another. But the country that accepted you, issue you paper, they want you. Why can't you work for the country, make your life better, not to jump from one country to another? Many people move from Italy to Germany, they are frustrated in Germany. Some people go to France, they are frustrated, their document died there, they cannot even go back. Germany, they cannot even give you documents. You understand? France, they cannot even give you documents. Belgium, the same thing. Other many countries in Europe. Because without you not have that unbefisted, that 00, that catastrophe, if it doesn't have it made on that country, all this country now, you made there work, you cannot ever get their documents unless you go to camp. And the way you go to camp, you will start from beginning. That's why we say that many people are in Europe, 5 years, 8 years, 7 years, 10 years, they don't achieve anything. Because you don't want to achieve anything. You want to be jumping from one country to another. You want to answer that you live in Spain, you live in Germany, you live in France. Forget that what you are looking for up is under your feet. So please, I beg you, as you are watching this video, share this video to all those ones, all those your friends who is thinking to travel to another country. You understand? Because many are calling me always, I want to go to Germany, how do you see Germany? I want to go to France, how do you see? I want to go there. I'm advising you all, please. Any place you are, you have their document, you have to stay there and build your document. Build your document very well, because I believe that when you build your document, it will be better for you. Thank you. Share this video. Those who never subscribe on my YouTube channel, try to subscribe so you can get more information from me. Namibia Atakata Abo 1, Nani Bonino, we know day 2. Share this video so you can get more. You can get more information from me. I'm still coming back for you guys. You know, I'm here. No retreat, no surrender. I'm always here. Now we be Italians. We know they fear. We still remain Italians. You understand? If you go up, we still come. We still remain Italians. God bless you as you watch this video. Share it to all your contact friends. Don't forget to share it, please. Subscribe. Put your comment. Let me see you subscribe and let me see your comment, you know, so I will know that you are one of my fans who support me, you know. May God bless you and bless you all. Thank you very much.